Hey everyone, it's Anne Manera, and we are back again with another color along from Color Along Variety Coloring Book, Volume 18. In today's color along, we are coloring with Crayola crayons, and you can use any brand of crayons, but that's the medium we're using today. So let's flip over to the page we are working on today, and we've got this page here, and we're just going to do some interesting basic, basic, right? With my basic box of 16 crayons. So nothing fancy today for a medium, nothing fancy for supplies. We just want to kind of take it down to just the basic coloring. So if you like this video, I would appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, it would be great if you could subscribe, because the more people I have subscribed, the more videos I'm able to put out. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So color along videos, I'm just going to get started with this red for my my hearts. Color along videos are posted every Thursday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time here on my YouTube channel. And we only have this page and 2 more pages left. So 3 weeks total for, I just have to move my fan. We only have 3 weeks total left for this book, left for this volume. And then we will begin volume 19. Volume 19. Volume 19 will actually begin on August 1st. And I'm really excited about volume 19 because I will be posting videos twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays for volume 19. So that's going to be really exciting. Scarlett says hello. She says hey. And then we're just going to, I've got just my hearts going on. I'm going to move on to another color. So what's cool about using crayons, I think, anyway, is that you can create a lot of different textures just by placing objects or different surfaces underneath. And although I do have a piece of paper underneath this, we want to just kind of say, well, what type of textures can we actually create? Now, of course, my crayons are a little chopped up, but whose crayons aren't, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is tackle this vase. And just by simply coloring in this direction rather than up vertically, I'm coloring kind of on an angle, will kind of give it a little bit of texture. And I actually can kind of use a little bit of heavy pressure as I'm moving along, and maybe some light pressure on the in-between. And then add maybe another color, like this color right here is a little bit, no, that's the same color, I'm sorry. That's the same color. I think I need to buy some more crayons. What do you think? We'll have to buy some more crayons. I love a Crayola product, actually. Let me know in the comments what you like about crayons. Are you a closet crayon colorist? You know, some people think that, oh no, you can't use crayons because then you're not really adult coloring. This is Carnation Pink, and I'm just going to go back over this purple. So it kind of gives it a little bit of texture. Get back onto this purple here. I'm going to use a little bit of a heavier pressure here for the rim. And then I'm going to lighten it up on the inside, and then use some pink again on the inside, mixing it up. There's my friend Paisley barking in the background. Gotta see what her story is back there. So I'm just going to use this yellow-green color for the stem of both flowers. It's a nice contrast with the kind of lavender color that's been created for the vase or for the jar that the flowers are in. And then let's just use just a basic yellow color called yellow for the center of these flowers. And I really love this color. I always kind of gravitate to it, this red-violet color. And if I kind of do a little bit of a heavy pressure in one side of the petal and then lighten up, you can really just see how crayons can just be treated just like a colored pencil. You know, people think that you can't do much with a crayon. It always has to be a solid color, and I I mean, I really disagree with that. I think that you can really do a lot with crayons. Can you tell I like crayons? And this flower, I'm gonna color this one with an orange, which is actually called yellow orange, but the same technique as I did for this one. Using that heavy pressure on one side of the petal, and I'm kind of making them, I'm varying them basically. I'm not going to make a big deal about where I'm putting the pressure, where I'm not putting the pressure. And then I'm going to take my purple color and I am going to color these little squares here with just a solid purple. And what I like to do is just kind of put in some colors that are complementary, so that look good together, and that, see, this crayon's gonna break. You know why my crayons break? Because I'm under the lights. I have a lot of lights happening right now for this video, so I feel like it definitely breaks whatever's in my hand. Everything gets kind of soft. And let's take some yellow and pop it behind here. Same thing with this side with the yellow. Because it's a good complementary color, it's the opposite. That yellow is definitely the opposite as we've got going on right here. So, just continuing on to the top portion of this with some yellow. And I guess that stripe should be blue. It's sitting there. This is a Frenzy style book. Where I have these backgrounds like this. I have a few different books like that, or a view style book that I have. A flower's view, that type of thing. A dog's view. Now I'm going to take this turquoise color and just do the middle right there, just to give it a little bit of a blue pop. I have to tell my dogs this is the last biscuit. This is the last one, you guys. That's it. All right, let me just give this a little bit of a pivot so that I can do this green color on the bottom. And what I want to do is go darker here around the underside of the jar, and then here again. So just to kind of create some shadows, or some, well, not really shadows, but just some shading, some light to dark or dark to light. Girls need to lay down. Good girl, Scarlett. Lay down, Paisley. If you're new to my YouTube channel and you're new to my color alongs, you might be wondering, who is Scarlett and Paisley? Well, Scarlett and Paisley they're part of the color alongs. They're my dog friends. They are always in the midst of it. They think that a color along is the most exciting thing ever, apparently. I don't really know what they think is happening. And usually it is their time to make me get up and down a million times, is what it is. All right, so this is kind of a red-orange. This is red-orange, actually, red-orange. So when you take a look at Crayola crayons and you see that it's red-orange or yellow-orange, what that basically means is, and I think we all know this, let me know if this is a surprise to you or if this is new information to you. Basically what that means is that it is more red than orange if it's red-orange, or if it's yellow-orange, it's more yellow than orange. Same thing for like blue-violet or red-violet, same thing. So that first name, that first color, is what it's primarily a color of. Scarlett just got afraid of herself. Scarlett, honey, it's just, don't worry, honey. It's okay. It's not going to hurt you. Lay down, babe. I don't know what is moving on the side of my desk. I think there was a T-square hanging there and made some noise, and, you know, you don't want to scare the dog. So is that new information to you about that, those colors? Let me know in the comments if it is. This is that carnation pink color again, and I'm just going to kind of press down a little bit here so I get a nice heavy pressure with these vertical sections. And then for the back, for this line going this way, the ones that are going on an angle, I'm just going to use red. And then for the background behind it all, I'm going to go with this yellow-green color. So just having some fun with some of these different colors. Same thing behind here. I mean, I think I probably could have gone with the blue color back here, make it kind of look like it's the sky. But I'm just kind of doing a fast little fill-in of this area, just so it gets a little bit of texture to it, you know? I'm not worried about making sure that every area is filled in. I just want to fill in that that space. And kind of going in all different directions, where typically I would color something where it would be either all in vertical strokes or horizontal strokes or diagonal strokes. But on this one, I really kind of just went all over the place type thing. I'm going to take my turquoise color, and for these little areas behind the hearts, I'm just going to color them with different colors. So let's start with this turquoise color here for some of the areas that are behind the hearts. And here's another one here. I don't want my colors to touch. Here's orange. Is that the orange? Yes, this is orange, like real orange, as opposed to fake orange. Is there fake orange? I don't know. I'm gonna color this one. Definitely different than the red orange color. And then here is just regular green, just nothing else but green, straight green. Should it be called straight green? I don't know. Green. Green is green. Maybe we need another color in here so that nothing touches, because I've already got my blue, my orange. I need a different color. I guess we could pop this red violet color in here. And then again here. Now I'm going to bring this red violet color up here also. And on this one. There's another one. And I guess the turquoise one is really kind of making me think, let's pop some turquoise in there. So again, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you could pop a subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the content that I'm creating. And you know, hit that bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Now, I know I talked about turquoise, but what did I gravitate towards? Yellow, orange. But look at the difference. Look at the contrast in color. But see that little dot, that little circle in there? That should be the turquoise. So let's just give it a little bit of turquoise inside that. I think the only thing that bothers me about crayons is that they don't have a good point, you know? And this page is complete. So again, crayons. I used Crayola crayons. You can use any crayon. Sometimes I use a Faber-Castell beeswax crayons. That's really a lot of fun. So we have 2 more color alongs happening for this particular volume of this book. And then color along volume 19, which is available on Amazon, will begin on August 1st. And what's going to be cool about that is we are upping our game here. We are upping our coloring game, and I will have 2 videos per week posted on right here on my YouTube channel. I'll post a video on a Monday and a Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern time for different coloring tutorials. And that one has such a huge just an interesting list of different topics. One of the things we're going to be using for that coloring book, that volume, is Silly Putty. So that's going to be interesting. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see everyone next time. Have a great day.